Okay, what we want to do here is take a look at a very basic conditional loop, and we're going to look at various loop structures that are conditional. And one of the simple ones, not the simplest, but it is simple, is the if-else conditional loop, that sort of logic. And so I've created here on this line the comment to, create a variable for user prompt. And so, got milk, haha, very funny. That's a variable name. I always need to assign a variable name when I'm asking for raw input or just basically performing any function, but especially raw input. And so here's the question. So raw input's a function, which means it goes in parentheses, and then you print to the screen in quotations your prompt. So do you have milk? And you specify yes or no. So that'll put that on the screen and wait for an answer before it does this stuff down here. And so the comment there is, so we've got a conditional loop based on user input, which was up here. And so if the variable that we previously named is identical, that's what the double equal sign does for you. It's actually a test of absolutely identical. If yes, so if the user types in, so if the user types, which is indicated by these single quotes, yes, make sure you always put this after if, else, and the other loop structures. And what'll happen is when you hit the return key, it'll end in automatically. Then you do stuff. It could be one line or a million lines. Print the statement Milky Mustache, which we'll have to live with because we don't have a picture of that yet. And but if the answer is anything but yes, then print a sad face. And so let's run this little thing, see what it does for us. Do you have milk? Yes. Milky Mustache. Let's run it again. Wait patiently. Do you have milk? Now what? I'm going to type yes, but it's all caps. See how particular it is? It does not recognize capital Y-E-S as capital Y lowercase es. So you got to be, it's very stupid. The computers are dumb, people are smart sometimes. So make sure you're very careful about that, but this is a basic idea of a conditional loop, and we'll show some things here in a second where we go a little bit deeper than something like got milk.